Hey there, tech lovers. If you've been searching for that perfect electric toothbrush, you're in luck. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric toothbrushes you can get right now. We'll be covering everything from standout features to real-world usability, so you can make the most informed choice and get that dazzling smile you deserve. Number 5. Kicking off our list is the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6500. This brush is packed with features that will make your daily brushing feel like a spa day. It's designed to whiten your teeth in just 1 week and reduce cavities thanks to its smart pressure sensor that warns you if you're brushing too hard and adjusts vibrations to protect your gums. It offers 3 brushing modes and 3 intensity levels, allowing you to personalize your oral care routine. But the awesomeness doesn't stop there. With a staggering 62,000 brush movements per minute, this toothbrush not only breaks up plaque effectively, but also ensures a deep clean every day. And if you're a jet setter, the charging travel case and the 14-day battery life make it the perfect travel companion. The brush sync technology is another cherry on top, reminding you when it's time to switch out your brush head. At around $149.96, discounted from $179.96, it's an investment in your smile that you won't regret. Number 4. Next up, we have the Philips Sonicare 4100. This model is all about giving you the most efficient clean with minimal fuss. It removes up to 7 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush, which is a huge win for your gum health. The pressure sensor and 2 intensity settings are ideal for those with sensitive gums, ensuring you get a thorough yet gentle clean. The C2 Optimal Plaque Control brush head is designed with soft nylon bristles, making it perfect for everyday use. The Smart Timer and Quad Pacer features help you stick to the dentist-recommended 2 minutes of brushing. With its sleek white design and ergonomic handle, it's not just functional, but stylish enough to complement any bathroom decor. At just $29.99, discounted from $49.96, this toothbrush offers a lot of bang for your buck, especially with its 14-day battery life and included charger. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5300. This model takes gum care to a whole new level, improving your gum health by up to 100% compared to a manual toothbrush. It sports a pressure sensor, 3 brushing modes, and 3 intensity settings, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to customize their brushing experience. Whether you're aiming to remove surface stains or gently massage your gums, this toothbrush has got you covered. The set includes a travel case, adding to its convenience for those constantly on the move. Long-living lithium-ion battery ensures you won't be left without power, even on extended trips. The brush sync technology is a thoughtful touch, keeping track of your brush head usage and reminding you when it's time for a replacement. With its sleek black design, the Philips ProtectiveClean 5300 is not just about oral health, but also about style and priced at $99.96, down from $109.96. It's a solid mid-range option for serious dental care enthusiasts. Number 2. The runner-up is the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500. This toothbrush is a powerhouse when it comes to plaque removal, capable of eliminating up to 10 times more plaque than a manual brush. It features a pressure sensor that alerts you if you're brushing too hard and offers a progress report to help you track and improve your brushing habits. With 4 brushing modes and 3 intensities, you can tailor your brushing experience to meet your specific needs. The brush sync technology is a game changer, ensuring you always know when to replace your brush head. Plus, the included charging travel case means you can maintain your oral hygiene routine no matter where you are. At $169.96, discount from $199.99, it's a bit of a splurge, but the advanced features and performance make it worth every penny. Number 1. Topping our list is the AquaSonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. This model combines beauty, brains, and power, making it the ultimate electric toothbrush for tech lovers. The 40,000 vibrations per minute and 4 brushing modes ensure a thorough clean, while the smart vibration timers help you brush just right. What really sets this toothbrush apart is its value. For just $39.95, down from $49.95, you get 8 DuPont brush heads, a wireless charging base, and a custom travel case. The The Black Series is ADA accepted, ensuring it meets high standards for plaque removal and gingivitis prevention. Its sleek, waterproof design makes it both stylish and practical. If you're looking for a top-tier toothbrush without breaking the bank, this is the one for you. All right, folks, that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best electric toothbrushes. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Don't forget to visit techguidevice.com for more reviews and comparisons, and check out the product links in the description to snag your favorite toothbrush. Keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.